Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the glow shack effect in CapCut PC so easily. Alright, so you can import your videos or photos that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Just add to the track and to make it more interesting, I'm going to copy paste the clip into some part and yeah, we just add 3 part, and for the second clip I'm going to mirror. So go to the back and you can find in training this is horizontal place 2, so you can see this effect in light effect years, but you can see the page. This is pro effect. You have to join in pro to be able to use this effect. So I do the track and you can see for the final display this. That's it. It's super simple, but I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.